Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lastatxa Pelen kanalera, ongi etorri. Hemen Markus Krugerren gela. Honetere ikusten duzu moduan, hemen zu bat dauka, hemen notak eta bar. Idazteko onki bat, hemen kajoi batzuk, hemen azal bat, hemen kofre bat, berriz bat. Osea, trabukoa eta hemen, bueno, hemen apur bat alkohol edateko eta hori esan da, jaiatuko gara jokatzen partida bat gazi honetan eiztariarekin ez horretako alkoa eta gazi honetan masa eta eskuikoa eta esan dugu nire hemen zera gartzen bueno, hori gauza randona, beraz, honekin aurrera goaz. Azkarro. Ez. Kolestina jogo Markus Krugerrekin. Eiztare moduan.
Has that dwarf been eating my brushes again?
Bueno, itxarongo dugu. Talen arren gaztelua edo.
You know, Carillion, I'm still no clearer as to why you're traipsing around with us. Don't you want to go home?
More than you knew.
So why stay? It doesn't add up.
If I answer you, will you cease your glaciate yammering?
Aye.
I don't want to worry you, but we've got problems.
Apur bat hornitzera. Ez dakit hornidura hau gero partidan izateko aukerek dagoen aurrera gero. Hau bat droga moduan.
Now, there's a sorcerer lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's left of Helmgard. Turns out it's Burble Spew Hailscourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the guildsman's lift into the centre and just stove his bloody head in. No one steals from me.
Does it not worry you that we've come so close without interference?
No need to be impatient. I'm sure there'll be carnage enough for all of us.
Righto, mates. We've a sodding sorcerer to off. Good deed of the day and a bit of fun, all in one. Sure that wasn't what it means to mess with us?
Like a frightened boy!
Heads down, mayflies!
Oh, ammunition! That's a hook rat!
Shield clan rats!
And a something!
look good in a fair fight, assassin.
It's a damn good sacky good, that's what it is. The head elf, come on!
Chaos Warrior breathed his last.
Tell me, Kruber, do you even know how these lifting platforms work?
Not me. A simple, bluff soldier, me. I keep to the things I know.
Well,
Long enough. So many ways to kill a body. Be they human, green skin, rat man, or elf. That looks promising. You reckon that's our lifting platform? Listen, look at us, a pack of them waiting. Take my blow. My shield and I will get this done. Hear that? Sounds like an assassin.
Another dead gutter runner! Blight Stormer! I'll boil the flesh off his rotten bones!
Oh, you know your way around the big fight, Baron.
Thank you, Father! Guess all those years as a battle wizard paid off. Rest is for later. Flames are for now.
Leech! One less leech!
here's a healing draft.
We need a crossing point. Fire and water don't mix. Keep searching. Sack rat? No.
Yeah, this doesn't look good, does it?
Pressure me, guys! With the winds!
That house never here.
Another
another
fun
Cyril.
northeast.
The spawn bombarded. So, the dwarf lives, the spawn dies. No discussion. Not yet. Remember your training, mate. Only hurts when I laugh. When I
senza utente laguntzen datu.
Can't lie, not feeling great.
You need aid, Kruber.
A ver.
My quiver's dry. Try not to waste this potion.
Yeah, that water ain't for drinking.
Boom.
Just do it! Hanging by a thread here.
It's a wonder you're still standing, Kruber. Ha! One less leech. A hook rat. Cruel amongst a cruel kin.
Vale. Vas a echar todas el guay.
You shouldn't fret about Miss Weed. You must tell me. Strong walls and sturdy arms was your say.
And when the stone crumbles,
Landslide.
when the metal rots, when there is no timber
Depending
to
above.
Lightstormer enters existence.
Or is it? Come over here!
Batuko dugu beste bat. Bai, hobeto. Ja, sorte apur bat gehiago daukagu. Eso bat.
If I'm not mistaken, Morsleep's even larger than during the Ubersreich scuffle.
Vale. Hirugarren egon behar dago Leicester gurekin.
going to hang around all day?
Bueno, eurak aukeratzea aukatu behar duten gauzi.
How'd that last lot get so close, Suzuki? Dunno. One moment they were there, the next... Do better. Slack watch gets folk killed. Easy now, Gorrickson. I was only... Enough! I sharp, Suzuki. About...
Shame about Usingen. The town's ruined, but there's still a job to do there. The Rockbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all their ill-gotten gains. It's filled with foodstuffs and supplies, and I want you to blow it up. They won't like that, I'll tell you. Use the black powder from a nearby mining emporium, but hurry up. There's a fat bunch of them marching on Usingen to claim their loot.
Wow. Ah, vale.
Let's find that manor, Dory. And if a few next present themselves for chopping, so much the better.
A regular army can't march on an empty belly. I hope it applies to Chaos Hordes too.
Let the Kazaki don't try to stop me. They're not keeping their stolen grain.
Ambushed. I doubt these folks imagined their day ending like this.
Lucky Blackfur!
Ha! Like a broken toy!
Kazaki Doom and armored! Oh, not so formidable now, is he?
Ain't that a beautiful dog?
These Northlanders think themselves masters of cruelty, but I have plenty.
Hey! Everyone's going the extra mile today. A mile littered with corpses! Kill that fire!
Make way!
Watch and learn, mates. This is how it's done.
Fleeting shadows! Move! Pump these steps! Down here!
There's a bomb.
Down it is.
Look, blessings of Shalia. By the 8! So much smoke! Potion here!
Was this town famous?
Chaos spawn!
A chaos warrior! They'll burn like the rest!
Stormer!
You look pale, wizard.
Can't lie.
Caca. Pausina i sorra da rapatan auta baina ongi gainera. Kausen garlariak...
Off we go! Pick up your feet, Trimbarati!
You're barely scratched, Mayfly.
Down this way!
Vuelta. No hay que sufrirse más.
As still as do me, this is about to get messy.
No hay personas que
Join us.
Now that's a Grover thing. Lively ended.
Chaos Warrior sighted! Come on, Bardin! Hit the head!
Kill him quicker next time, would you?
Another wave of smoke! Time to crash
No
against
stopping
me!
at all, is there? Trust me, I'm just warming up a little bit.
Warming up! You don't know the meaning of those words, Bardin.
Oh! Bloody frog! Give a man a moment, will ya?
You'll know me on the trail of space!
Globe lobber coming in! Just that's death! Lord stopping you, isn't it, Salad? Off we go! Stop shooting me, Corellian!
We have many foes to burn, little tide. Find a way around, into the courtyard.
How come the affluent part of town is less ravaged?
Help yourself to ammunition. Ammunition!
Bada espada. Bueno, no ez dago ezer Nurgleren usain nardagarria.
Here, this is the door. ammunition. Lovely little potion. Let's make the most of it. And there we are. Let the destruction begin.
See that cart? Fill it with black powder.
Can you not taste the poison on the wind?
Yeah! Did you not hear me?
Failed gas that. Death is too good for you.
That's a blight stormer. Blight stormers work.
Another one. Brilliant scene, a little time. By the 8 winds, so many.
Didn't feel it. Rattling gun! Heads down or back feet for it! Ha-ha! Come on! I have a message from Austria for you!
Gunner dead.
Vale, ahora es derrapato.
Watch out for your mates and we'll get through this. Well, that'll do by Sigmar now. For an arm they ain't using.
It's a wonder you're still standing, Kruber.
Well, still, done it to us.
I am tired of patching you up, Kruber. One day I won't.
There's always bloody more of them, isn't there? Remember your training, mate.
Fleeting shadow!
Now I'm pissed off!
Make way!
We get it, Mon. You're tough. Now heal.
This door may flies. Down here, Glaikit mayflies.
Side by side, face them together.
Not yet. Not yet.
Heal up, Dwarf. You're fooling no one.
There's the portal. Just as well, I think there's an army on our heels.
Bueno, lagunok hau izan da dena, espero gustuko zaizuela eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.